Hello everyone, this is Vivek. In this video, we will learn a small trick for finding HCF and LCM easily in a very short time. So first let's understand LCM and HCF. LCM stands for least common multiple. Here we have taken the multiples of 9 and multiples of 12. And we can observe that 36, 72 and 108 are common multiples of 9 and 12. And there can be unlimited multiples of them. But 36 is the least common multiple. Therefore, LCM of 9 and 12 is 36. Now HCF. HCF stands for highest common factor. It can also be termed as GCF, greatest common factor, or GCD, greatest common divisor. Here we have taken again 9 and 12. Now 1, 3 and 9 are factors of 9. That means 9 is divisible by these numbers. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. That means 12 is divisible by these numbers. And the highest number which is a common factor of 9 and 12 is 3. Or 3 is the greatest common divisor of 9 and 12. Therefore, HCF of 9 and 12 is 3. It is little lengthy and time-taking process to write all the common multiples for finding LCM and writing all the factors for finding HCF. Now let's learn the easiest method for finding LCM and HCF in a single stroke. Now the first example, I am taking the same numbers 9 and 12. Now mark a vertical line on the left and a horizontal line. Here this is left hand side and here we have right hand side. Remember that the left hand side will give us HCF and right hand side will give us LCM. Now think of a common factor which divides both 9 and 12. It's 3, isn't it? So divide 9 and 12 by 3. So 3 3s is 9, 3 4s is 12. Now we don't have another common factor of 3 and 4 which can divide these numbers. So stop the process here. Now on the left hand side, whatever numbers are there, we have to multiply them. Here we have only 3. So 3 is the HCF. And to find the LCM, look at the numbers on the right hand side. Here we have to cross multiply. That is either multiply 3 with 12 or 9 with 4. We get the same answer, isn't it? 9 4s is also 36, 12 3s is also 36. So 36 is the LCM. Easy, isn't it? Let's take another example. Let us say I need to find the HCF and LCM of 72 and 120. Now again, draw one vertical line on the left hand side and one horizontal line. Now think of a number which is a common factor of 72 and 120. Let's take 12. Now divide 72 and 120 by 12. 12 6 is 72, 12 10s is 120. Now again, think of another number which is a common factor of 6 and 10 and which can divide these two numbers. So let's take 2. Now divide 6 and 10 with 2. 2 3s is 6, 2 5s is 10. Now you can see that there are no more numbers which are factors of 3 and 5 or which can divide 3 and 5. So stop the process here. Now multiply the numbers which are there on the left hand side. 12 2s is 24. So 24 is the HCF. And for calculating LCM, look at the numbers on the right hand side. Here we have to cross multiply either 120 with 3 or 72 with 5. So 120 into 3 will give us 360. So that's the LCM. Like this we can find HCF and LCM of any given two numbers in one single stroke. Let's take another example. Let us say I need to find HCF and LCM of 128 and 248. Now pause the video and try to find the HCF and LCM on your own. Done? Okay. Now let's check the answers. Draw one vertical line on the left and then a horizontal line. Now think of a number which can divide both 128 and 248. Let's take 2. 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again think of another number which can divide 64 and 124. Again let's take 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. Again find another number which can divide 32 and 62. So again take 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Now here there is no another number which is a common factor of 16 and 31 which can divide these numbers. So stop the process here. Now multiply the numbers on the left hand side. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. That is the HCF. And to find the LCM, look at the numbers on the right hand side. Cross multiply either these two numbers or these two numbers. So multiplying 128 with 31 or 248 with 16 will give us 3968, which is the LCM. One important thing to remember here is that this method is applicable only when there are two numbers. When there are more than two numbers, this method is not applicable. So I hope this video is helpful to you. I'll see you in my next video.